Sound of Vitality. Hi guys, it's Coca-Cola Matt. 안녕하세요. Coca-Cola Matt입니다. Today, I will be reviewing Cass Red 6.9 Sound of Vitality. So this is savory taste of high alcohol beer made from the finest aroma hop. Cass Red Macju. So it's a 355 milliliter can. It's made in South Korea. Have to be 19 years or older to drink. Suipsin 94%. Guksan 6%. Oksusu. Okay. So Cass Red. We'll open her up. Whoa, she made a splash. Okay, so we'll pour it. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so the Cass Red. It's a little light, see-through lager, not very dark. Little head on top. It's carbonation, highly carbonated, many bubbles. Smells like your generic beer. It's really bubbly. I'll take a sip. Tastes like a regular Cass. A little hoppy, but not too hoppy. More on the water side. So there's hoppy, and there's water. This one is maybe down on the watery side. Maybe like a 3 or a 4 out of 10 on the hoppy side. The taste is not bitter. It has maybe a little like an apple aftertaste. For a 6.9% beer, it doesn't really taste like alcohol much. It's easy drinking, better than the original Cass Fresh, but Cass Beats I think is a little better. Overall, I would give this beer maybe a 5 or a 6 out of 10. It's in the middle. It's not very good, but it's not very bad. On a warm, sunny day, after a day of work, a Cass Red would be good. It's kind of like a Budweiser. Thanks for watching my video, and subscribe. Bye bye.